This contemporary built-in double oven from Stoves is perfect if you want a stylish black model with clever technology to make life easier. It has an A energy rating for the medium-sized 61-litre main multifunctional oven and a B energy rating for the medium 37-litre second oven, so there's lots of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. The second cavity also works as a conventional oven and variable electric grill, meaning you can give that hearty lasagna a crispy finish. This model has Zeus Appliance technology that lets you use your smartphone to control your oven at the touch of a button. Just simply download the Zeus app on your smartphone or tablet, and from the palm of your hand you can select cooking settings, monitor progress, and receive alerts when cooking is complete. You can even save your preferred settings in the app, meaning you can make your favorite meals with no fuss. So, no matter how busy your routine is, you'll always be able to enjoy a delicious meal at the end of the day. The main oven is multifunctional, meaning it has more than one cooking function to give you greater flexibility in the kitchen. With a twist of the dial, you can easily select one of the functions. This means whether you choose conventional for the pizza function or slow cooking for succulent stews, you'll always get perfect results. If you want fantastic quality and clever technology to make your life easier, this contemporary built-in black double oven from Stoves is a great choice.